Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I'm excited to share a secret Bollinger Bands strategy for binary options trading. I'll be demonstrating this strategy on the Pocket Option Trading platform. If you're interested in trying it out, check the platform link in the video description below. Important reminder, trading binary options involves risk. You may lose your investment, and past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest money you can afford to lose. Now let's get straight to the strategy. The Bollinger Bands indicator has three parts. Middle line, a simple moving average calculated over a set period. Upper band, the middle line plus the standard deviation of candle close prices. Lower band, the middle line minus the standard deviation of candle close prices. Most of the time, the price bounces between the upper and lower bands. Occasionally, it breaks out of the bands and moves further. When the bands start to open up, it indicates a potential trading opportunity. We'll place trades when this happens. Now, let's break down the trading rules for this strategy. For a buy trade, the price touches the lower Bollinger Band and moves upward, forming a candle. The candle breaks through the upper Bollinger Band, and both points of the candle close outside the bands. The Bollinger Bands must be in an open-up position, meaning the upper band is sloping upward, the lower band is sloping downward. When these conditions are met, place a 1-minute buy trade. For a sell trade, the price touches the upper Bollinger Band and moves downward, forming a candle. The candle breaks through the lower Bollinger Band, and both points of the candle close outside the bands. The Bollinger Bands must also be in an open-up position, meaning the lower band is sloping downward, the upper band is sloping upward. When these conditions are met, place a 1-minute sell trade. Additional details use a 1-minute time frame for the candles. The trade expiry time is also 1 minute. This strategy works well in OTC markets. However, I haven't tested it in real-time markets yet. If you're feeling a little confused, don't worry. We're going to take some live trades to help you understand the strategy better. But before we do that, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of my future trading strategies. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I'll also reveal the secret settings for the Bollinger Bands indicator that make this strategy truly effective. Without these settings, the strategy may not work as intended. All right, let's dive into some live trades to see this strategy in action. All right, traders, according to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade setup. Here's why. The price traveled directly to the upper Bollinger Band and then broke out through the lower Bollinger Band, closing outside the bands. The Bollinger Bands are in the recommended open-up position, with the upper band sloping upward and the lower band sloping downward. The price has also broken out of the support level, adding even more confirmation for this sell trade. With all these factors aligning, it's a strong signal to place a sell trade. Now, an important tip for everyone. Start on a demo account. Test this strategy and use it to gain confidence and understanding. Once you're comfortable and confident, you can apply it to a real account. Always trade responsibly. Now let's see how this trade turns out. Stick with me till the end. There's still more to learn, and you don't want to miss any key insights. We won this trade. It's always so satisfying to see a strategy work perfectly in real time. This win proves that when the right conditions align, this Bollinger Bands strategy can deliver excellent results. But remember, no strategy guarantees 100% success, so always manage your risk wisely. Now let's move on and look for the next trade setup that fits our strategy. According to our strategy, this is another perfect sell trade setup. Here's why. The price touched the upper Bollinger Band and then broke out through the lower Bollinger Band, closing outside it. The Bollinger Bands are in the recommended open-up position, signaling a strong trend. With these conditions in our favor, this is an excellent opportunity for a sell trade. Always keep an eye on payout levels, as they can change over time. Some pairs might offer lower payouts later, so it's a good habit to check them regularly. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Now let's wait to see the result of this trade. We won this trade. Another great result, proving the effectiveness of this strategy when applied correctly. Let's now discuss the settings for this strategy. These are the key adjustments you'll need to make for the Bollinger Bands indicator. Period. Set it to 13. Deviation. Set it to 2. These settings are crucial for ensuring the strategy works effectively, so double-check that you've applied them correctly. Now that we've got the settings covered, let's get back to scanning the market for the next perfect trade setup. Remember, patience is the key. Wait for the right conditions to align before entering a trade. According to our strategy, this is yet another perfect sell trade setup. The price touched the upper Bollinger Band, signaling a reversal. It broke out through the lower Bollinger Band and closed outside it. The Bollinger Bands are in the open-up position, confirming a strong trend. With all these conditions aligning, this is an excellent opportunity for a sell trade. Let's wait to see how this trade plays out. We won this trade. That's another win using the strategy, proving how effective it can be when executed properly. This brings us to the end of today's trading session. Here are some key reminders to take with you. Patience, discipline, and consistency are your biggest assets in trading. Always wait for the ideal trade setup. Don't rush or force trades. Practice this strategy on a demo account before using it in a live market. How to support the channel. If you enjoyed learning this strategy and found value in today's session, here's how you can support the channel and stay connected. Like this video to show your appreciation and help others discover it. Comment below if you have any questions or would like to share your experience with this strategy. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you're always the first to know about new and exclusive trading strategies. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Keep practicing, stay focused, and stay disciplined. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful trading strategy. Until then, happy trading and take care.